Hop into the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Be exactly who you want to be in this innovative Mustang Mach-E. Potent performance, premium amenities, convenient charging options, and impressive range, combined with ingenious tech that lets you personalize the drive in this future-ready EV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat. Feel a new sense of freedom in this inspired Mustang Mach-E. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.